In my last video, I have shown you the 1/8 of an inch collet that allows you to use tiny bits. In this video, I will show you how you can use a 1 and 2 mm bit to cut wooden inlays like this one. I mount the 1 mm bit and start cutting the inlay. I use an outside cut without offset. As you can see, the small bit enables you to cut nice and sharp angles. This is how it looks after a 2 mm cut. And this is the final cut. Compare this to using the 1/8 of an inch bit you get with your shaper. As you can see here, the thickness of the bit prevents you to cut sharp angles. For this shape, the inner angles turned out round. To cut the mold, I start with a pocket cut. As you can see here, again the 1/8 of an inch bit is limited and can't cut the sharp angles. The mold turns out really ugly. A better approach is to start with a pocket cut using the 1/8 of an inch bit. Then I switch to the 2 mm bit. I clean up the pocket cut with that thinner bit. Then I switch to the 1 mm bit and again I clean up the pocket cut. After that, I do an inside cut with 0 offset using the 1 mm bit. I try out if the inlay fits, but it doesn't. So I set a 0.1 mm offset and repeat the inside cut. Now it does fit. I glue the inlay into the mold, and after some sanding, it looks nice. As you can see, it's not perfect yet. You can see small gaps here and there. I'll continue experimenting to see if I can improve that further. If you want to buy any of those bits, I'll leave some links in the description. I hope you liked this little video and see you around.